Hey, what's going on everybody? Today I'm going to show you 8 different effects or tips that you can use to help improve your videos. Now, if you see an effect you like and want to know how to do it, just click the link at the top of the screen. I'll have them pop up throughout the video. But I'm going to ask if you do click on one of these links, then please open it in a new window and watch the rest of this video first, because you might see another effect or trick you might want to learn or use in your next video. So with all that being said, let's get started. Hello, welcome everyone. The first way you can improve your videos is by adding some text to the screen. People like to read, it'll keep them engaged longer, and it also adds another element to the screen to give their eyes something to look at. The fastest and easiest way to add text to the screen is by subtitles. If you'd like to know how to do subtitles quick and easily without typing a single word, just click right up here. And this is how I'm going to add links throughout the video, so be on the lookout for those. The second way you can add text to the screen is with titles and graphics. This is going to be a little bit more time consuming because you have to type out every word yourself, but the results can be really amazing. Then if you want to take those titles and graphics and take it to a whole nother level, the third thing you can do is put those titles and graphics and hide them behind an object in the screen, just like the words are behind me right now. It is a really cool effect and people are definitely going to notice. Tip number 4. Tip number 4 to improve your videos is to actually use multiple cameras. I've been doing that throughout this video. I don't know if you've noticed, but by using multiple cameras, you can keep your audience's attention a lot longer. So if you want to know how to sync up your cameras when you go to edit, click this link at the top of the page. And it's going to show you how to do that quickly and easily and save you a lot of time when you go to edit. Let's go to number 5. The 5th trick or effect that you can do is to isolate a color on the screen. It is very visually stimulating because our eyes are so used to seeing everything in color. So this might be an effect you want to do if you want to highlight a certain object or draw someone's attention to a particular item on the screen. Tip number 6. Use your camera's focus to show something up close. You can actually be out of focus in the background and talk about the object, or you can use it to reveal yourself later on. It's also a really cool way to hide someone's identity. And tip number 7. What was tip number 7? Oh wait, that is the tip. So you might need to censor your audio sometime. I don't know if that will really help you improve your videos, but it could save you from getting in trouble. So if you need to know how to censor your audio, click the link above, and that's going to show you how to do that really easily. And lastly, if all these tips fail and they don't really help you improve your video, you can always go on a vacation. Come on. Thanks for watching everyone. Please hit the like button if you've learned something today and consider subscribing to my channel. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video.